Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new game, Football Manager Mobile 2024. How to change game currency. So you can change your in-game currency. For example, from pound sterling, you can change into euro or even a US dollar. And before we start, you can get this game from Play Store or you get you can get this game for free if you are subscription into the Netflix app in a mobile version. So you can download or install this game, Football Manager 2024 mobile version. So let's get started by tap the settings button. And as you can see, there are some options here that you can change or make an adjustment. Let's tap the second one, currency. So by default, this currency is a UK pound sterling, but I already changed into euro. And you can also change into Japanese yen, for example, or Indonesian rupiah, or even a US dollar, for example. After that, just tap confirm. So the currency in your game will be changed. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.